Greetings everyone, my name is Grace and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a very simple recipe for cake box cookies, so let's jump right into the ingredients. Okay, so when it comes to ingredients, you're just going to need one box of cake mix, and it could be any flavor you like. At the store I just picked up a strawberry, a devil's food, and a yellow box. You'll also need 2 eggs, and then you will need a half a cup of vegetable oil. You'll also need a bowl to mix it in, and then a cookie pan. So let's get started with it. Okay, so when it comes to making cookies, this is literally the easiest recipe you're ever going to learn. I've baked them so many times when I had a short amount of time to get something ready for a party or a potluck. So all you're gonna start with is pour your cake mix into a bowl. I chose the chocolate because I'm a fan of chocolate, but the other flavors are absolutely delicious as well. You're gonna go ahead and get your eggs in. I like to crack my eggs into a separate little cup just in case I get a shell. Then you're not having to dig them out of the actual batter that you're trying to make. So 1 egg. It's a little hack I learned from the Food Network to always drop them in a little cup first. Got your 2 eggs in there. I'm going to, put a half a cup of vegetable oil. Get that in there. And then you could use a whisk if you want. I just mix this batter with a spoon until you form a dough. And like I said, it's just literally the easiest. And the cookies come out very soft and chewy. And people would always ask me how I can bake 3 different types of cookies in an evening, you know, while I was working. And I would always tell them that it was just the cake mix from a box made into cookies. All right, so you're gonna just mix this really well together, and it's gonna form a dough. As you can tell, it's already forming. Forgot to mention, you wanna preheat your oven to 350 before you start this. That way the oven's ready to go and you don't have to wait on it. You see how easily that's being formed. The dough's already here. You're gonna take your cookie sheet. One little hack that I have learned is buying the extra large cookie sheets at the stores. I grabbed this one from Target. It's like $11 or $12. But then you could put more cookies in the oven and not have to keep switching pans out like I used to do. So once you have that, what I do is I just grab one little, it would make about 1 inch, a 1 inch ball or circumference. I'm not a mathematician here, but like so, if you can see a reference through my hand, and you're just gonna plop it down. And I'm just gonna keep on forming those little balls. It smells amazing. It just smells like chocolate cake. Okay, so my oven is preheated and we're gonna get them on in. I'm gonna set my timer for 10 minutes. All right, our cookies are beeping, so I'm gonna get them out of the oven. And you want to make sure you put them on something that they're not going to burn, like your counter. And I'm going to let them cool for about 1 to 2 minutes on the pan, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a spatula and get them on a little cooling rack. I really wish there was a way that you guys could smell the things that I'm baking or cooking, because this just smells amazing. It just smells like a chocolate cake. So you are going to go ahead and put them on your, I have just a little cooling rack. And you're gonna place these puppies right on here. And you're gonna wanna let them cool completely before you bite on into them. Unless you really like warm cookies, then you know what? Go for it. There's really no rules to when you can or cannot eat cookies, but be cautious. You don't want to burn your mouth. And all right, in just a few minutes, I will show you one up close. All right, so we're all done making our delicious little chocolate cookies, and they remind me of like a personalized cake, chocolate cake made just for you, but shrunken into a cookie size. They are amazing, they're soft, they're delicious, they melt in your mouth. I can't say enough good things about these. Let me know if you guys try the recipe, which I'm going to put in the description below, or if you mixed it up and you tried it with a different type of cake mix. So if you have any questions, leave a question in the comment and I'll get back to you guys. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day. I'm digging it. Mmm.